Trader live right now after hours. We have Microsoft, which is tanking $20 right now, down 15, but it's a big tank. It's a daily chart. You're breaking the 20 and the 10 right now, and I'll draw a trend line where the support is. Once again, the big cap earnings on Microsoft are not cracked up. Sorry. We have downside and we have more downside coming. Um, we had warned people about it. This is what happens. Microsoft is down $21, $22 right now, live and after hours. It's sitting on a major support level right there. We're going to watch it. We're going to buy dips. We know where to purchase it. We invite you to join us in the purchasing. Uh, don't forget the Buy Now, Pay Later program. It's there on the site. Enjoy it. Enjoy the big dip that we get to buy off of the declining earnings. Was down $22 on Microsoft.